Hello and welcome to Parrot's training videos for the ANAFI Ai. In this video, we'll go over connecting, updating, and calibrating your aircraft and making sure that it's ready for its first flight. Let's begin. You can ensure the system is connected by seeing a solid blue LED below the power button. If this LED is blinking, your system is not connected. To pair the remote and the aircraft, use a USB-C to USB-C cable. Plug it into the bottom of the remote and into the back of the aircraft. Ensure that both the aircraft and the remote are powered on during this process. You'll see that the LED switches to flashing green. This means that the system is pairing. The pairing will be complete when the LED below the power button on the remote controller is a solid dark blue. We can see an update is needed when we have orange text below the system. Press on the system to access it, then press on the software update button. When we press on this, the system will automatically start updating. Likewise, if the aircraft needs an update, you can navigate to the software update button within the drone's information page. To calibrate the aircraft, navigate to the drone information page and select calibration. Here we have many choices. Select the magnetometer calibration, then press start and follow the steps on screen. Parrot recommends that you calibrate the compass whenever the system asks. Also, whenever you're flying in a new location, it's a good idea to calibrate the compass. Your aircraft should now be updated, calibrated, and ready for its first flight. We'll do so in the next video. Thanks for tuning in to Parrot's training videos for the ANAFI Ai.